drive like this. Dude took a chunk out of his tire. Badass edition. Holy shit! Alright guys, welcome to the first Blackline YouTube episode. We got a little M240i over here. We're gonna probably clean this up throughout the day, but I don't know, we're just gonna get into it, show you guys kind of what we do here at Blackline, the warehouses, fulfillment team, because we do everything here in Northeast Ohio. But yeah, back here we got the main wash bay. We got some containers where we're gonna be washing cars, a little outdoor wash bay setup. Probably if you guys see all of our videos, that's right where we're filming. This, guys, is the brand new marketing warehouse, so it doesn't look like much. It's pretty empty right now besides some boxes over there. Really anything you can think of that's getting posted publicly to social media is gonna be in at this warehouse. Our fulfillment warehouse is literally 2 driveways down, so pretty convenient here. But wait, before we really start, every day starts with a hard crack. Take a hit of that. Go and comment your favorite Monster flavor. Crazy announcement dropped yesterday. New color towels. You guys know the original black towel that went viral everywhere. We had to move on. We're still keeping the black towel, but guys, we got new colors. We got Glacier Blue, Velocity Orange, which honestly, I wish this was more like a McLaren orange. Army Green for the vets, Sand, Purple. Yeah, new colors. They dropped 2 days ago, so go to the website, blacklinecarcar.com, pick one up. But guys, we're going for our first $1 million month here in the month of May. We got the big ass calendar up on here. But guys, first $1 million month, let us know if you guys think we can get it in the comments. I think we can. Nothing too crazy here. We got a couple bathrooms. We got all of our testing as well. So we formulate all of our products in-house at the other warehouse, which y'all might get a sneak peek in a sec. So guys, this is literally like 2 doors down. As you see, we're in this building. We're gonna skip this one and then go to the next one. Pretty convenient because a lot of our content does revolve around fulfillment, stuff like that. We're gonna go meet some people. We're gonna let you guys in on what it looks like to be a normal TikTok shop company, but we're not even a TikTok, we're just an e-commerce company that blew up on TikTok shop. And guys, one of the coolest things about our fulfillment center, there's a business attached to our building that does all of the packaging. That's boxes, tape guns, tape, really anything that you can think of that's gonna be part of fulfillment is literally attached. And they were here, they've probably been here for 10 plus years. And we just luckily picked the right building and were able to get attached to the packager. All right guys, so this is a live setup. Landon goes live like every single day for 7 or 8 hours. Absolutely cooks. I think he's a little sick right now. He's got some,
I'm a little under the weather.
He's got some cough drops, but that never stopped him. Yeah, so this is, I guess, behind the scenes is a live setup. Y'all probably don't see this all the time, but all the boxes, they pack up the orders and stuff on here. We got the 1 of 1 K truck. It's 1 of 1 for one reason. Badass edition. Come on, boy. What you know about it? What you know about it? And right-hand drive. Pretty much like a mailman in this mother trucker. This is where the real magic happens and where the real magic started. All the orders get sent out right here. Little shipping dock over there. I think this is around 38,000 square feet. And we use every single bit of that. Every single bit of it. They're throwing down some orders back here. They got some over here. And then they're even prepping for Amazon back in that corner. So it's all hands on deck. Here is the main picker aisle where all of our packers come and they pick all their items so they can throw them in the correct orders. Some chemicals come in boxes, some don't. Like most of our regular, like our soaps and our interior cleaners just come heat sealed just like this. Every product that we sell that's a liquid is pretty much in this aisle. All of the hard products are in the aisle over, like our drying towels, our wash mitts, really anything that is not a liquid. So it looks like they got some crazy action. I don't even know what they're doing. Man, I just make the videos, bro. We got our bottling station. Bottling up all the products. Yeah, it's a pretty expensive line, but it gets the job done. It's like a 4-filler machine, fully automated. Insert clip. And we actually bought a brand new gravity fed one, which is back here, but it's not running yet. And then we got the man, the myth, the legend. I was talking about how we make all of our products in-house. That's the guy that does it. So he makes all the products. We got a team of 3 chemists, so him and 2 other dudes. Joe, Jimmy, and Jimmy. There's 2 Jimmys, it gets confusing. But yeah, they make all the products in-house. They're mixing stuff up, which we can go check out the mixing room, but we can't leak too much because I know chemical guys are trying to steal these formulas, bro. So these are all freshly pumped. Little green apple ultra foam fresh off the line. And this is a full labeling system, so you pretty much just throw it on the line, it pumps, caps, and fully labels the bottle. You pretty much have it here, put it in your box, load 12 in there, and send it over to the picking stations. We're gonna go see the actual, where the products are actually made. It's a little loud, so. Hey, yo, what's up, boys? What's up? What up, what up?
What's up, Quinn?
So guys, this is where we're making all the products. We got a massive tank and even a more massive tank to mix up the products. I can't leak too much though. Yeah, but they mix those up, they pump either into a tote, the tote gets drained into the filler machine, and then they get filled and bottled. So let's see here. Now we're back in the actual, I would say the logistics side of the fulfillment process. This is anything from customer service to chemical formulating. The coolest thing that we ever did here, look at this wall. This was hand painted. Like, there was a dude here with his iPad. He had a picture of the car. He had an iPad like this, went up, came back. Pretty insane the fact that he did this by hand, and he actually went to my high school, so supporting the locals. I think we have a meeting with John, which we might be able to get you guys in and get a little bit of insight of what me and Filmer Boy behind y'all are doing. We do have a rampant rabies infested raccoon that lives around here. We don't have a name for him yet, but we're working on it. He got stuck in one of the dumpsters the other day, but he got dumped upside down and scurried out of there. Haven't seen him since. Hoping he comes back. I got a little monster for him. For this warehouse, we're gonna be painting these containers that y'all see black. These are brand new containers. I'll show you the inside. These things are mint. Like I'm about this close to moving into one of these fuckers and putting a bed in there because it ain't that bad. Like AC unit, a bed, TV, PlayStation. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I got sheets. What y'all know about sheets? Freaking, it's like the Ohio Wawa, but low-key better. Wawa's trash. We got ROA in the cut. They just moved up from Ohio, or from Florida. What? Blackline vlog #1.
That's pretty fire.
Yeah.
When do the like car races and stuff start?
Next week. Yeah, we're gonna line up. We're gonna do the Tesla versus the twin turbo F-150.
Look them back like this.
yeah. Tear my frame apart.
Put another plaid sticker on there. Up in the powder.
Yeah, it's probably like 10:15. It's 9:45. Okay. So yeah, we got a meeting in like 45 minutes. Yeah, so we got a meeting in like 45 minutes, so we're gonna just turn the camera down and then we will catch you guys in the meeting. Yeah, so we got a little Audi S5 out there, big turbo S5. Clean this puppy up. And then you can go watch our other YouTube videos. So you have 2 YouTube videos to watch now. All right, let's drag this puppy out here. All right, go and show him. Go all the way to the back. Got your ass. We're shipping Quinn back to China. All right, got the big turbo S5. We're gonna clean this puppy up. probably pull a BMW or something out over here. Okay, so yeah, let's rip over to the other warehouse and grab these products. All right, so you guys will be able to win this. Go to the Instagram, blackout kit, not the 16th weekend, the following weekend. So not this weekend, next weekend. You guys will still have a chance to win the blackout kit. So go to the Instagram and check that out. Let's put these down. I don't want to scratch any of those. Let me go grab the car. Just pulled in the Beamer. We do need to clean this thing up before we do a photo shoot on it because it's quite stinky. Let's wash this bitch. 2 ounces of Ultra Foam. Yeah, so we're gonna make this look good. Peep the photo. All right, well, that's all I got for these past 2 days, guys. We're gonna try to do this once a week. Tune in, follow, like, subscribe, comment, show a little bit of love. This is the first video, so. But if you guys liked any of the products we used today, guys, go to blacklinecarcare.com. You can save up to 30% off or join our TikTok shop live stream. That's probably honestly where you get the best deal. So if you follow us on TikTok, go watch the live, go watch Landon and Kai. And then if not, go to the website. Get fast 3-day shipping from all platforms. Amazon's obviously next day. But yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. Like, follow, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.